You thinking what I'm thinking? Fallout Christmas tree. So we found a bunch of these random decorations over at the dollar store, and I thought to myself, you know what? Everything needs two heads. So, unfortunately, I didn't record the beginning of this. You can see here I'm spray painting them gold. But it's literally just taking the decoration, cutting off the head, and attaching another one to it. You can see two rad stags and a Brahmin there. After having painted our rad stag head, I think it needs a little more festivities. So I've got this little piece that came with the original ones. I'm thinking something like that. So the easiest way to do this, of course, is with just a little bit of hot glue. Here and here. And that'll give us just enough to get this sucker attached. So now, when it hangs, it'll have a little bell. And this guy, I think, let's see here. Yeah, I think that'll work. So we're going to do the same thing here. I like that. We've got our little mutated two-headed cow. And we've got some bright yellow ornaments.
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart I have but one desire, and that one is you. No other will do. I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just want to be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I'll have reached the goal I'm dreaming of being.